My name is Ben Cantor. I'm the president here at the Hennepin Overland Railway Historical Society, Incorporated. We are a operating train museum. We are all about bringing railroading to a new generation and raising awareness of how fun it can be to come and play with model trains. We use a lot of electricity. Not only do we have electric heat, but we have a lot of electric trains running. One of the biggest expenses that we have every month is our electric bill. And by getting solar, it cuts that electric basically down to zero over the whole year. It helps us save money. All energy solar was very easy to work with. The process was pretty straightforward. They had somebody come out and measure the roof, and then we had drawings to look at, and All Energy said, this is how many solar panels you should put on, and we said okay, and that's where they went. They were very flexible with times meeting here. They took care of all the grunt work. Our building is old. This building was, I think, 1920s. So there were issues with how to tie in the solar panels, but All Energy worked through it all themselves. They definitely exceeded our expectations, and I didn't have to lift a finger. So it was wonderful. I would recommend other organizations to go with All Energy Solar if they are looking at getting solar panels.